Hello, I am Dhiren Jain. My today's Python topic is web automation. I will be automating HelloFresh web page. I will be using Python and Selenium for the automation. My task will be to go to login screen, enter the credentials, order and reach the payment gateway. For this task, I will be using Python 3, PyCharm and Selenium. Let's go to the code. Uh, you can see have imported the Selenium and I will be using this get method to go to the web page. I have saved my credential in another Python file. I will be importing credentials from that Python file. The method I'm using to click particular attribute is find element by XPath. Let's run this. You can check the logs over here when the code is running. Now it is clicking the cookies button. It will enter the credentials from this part of the code. Here I'm entering a random new coupon code which I found, and I will be reaching for the detail page. Here I will be entering forename, nakname, house number and handy number details by using this part of the code. I have uploaded the whole code in my GitHub. You can run the Python file by changing the username password in the credential.py file and run this main file. Thank you for listening to me.